Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to another Sprinkler Supply Store product overview. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy and you're watching Sprinkler TV. So let's get right into it. We're gonna look at the B-Hyve Smart Wi-Fi hose faucet or hose bib timer. And I can tell you that when I was building my house, it's been 4 years now. When I was building my house before I installed my automatic underground system, I used this device right here to grow in our grass because the sprinklers weren't in yet. And I used this and it's amazing. I can tell you that I was able to set up and connect with my phone in less than 5 minutes. Orbit couldn't make it any easier to configure and set up a wireless hose bib timer that you can control from anywhere in the world. And before I flip the camera over and we take it out of the box, I want to mention if you have any questions about this product, please drop a comment down below. That is the best way for us to communicate with you, is just to comment down below. I'm not going to be able to cover everything in this video, and I'm not going to show you how to use the app. It's actually pretty self-explanatory, but any questions that you might have about this particular product, please drop a comment down below and then we'll have a discussion about it right here on YouTube. All right, let me flip the camera over here so we can take it out of the box. You can find this at sprinklersupplystore.com. We have many available in stock. Orbit's done a great job with their packaging and their directions. Let's see, so there's two pieces to this. The first piece is the actual hose bib timer. I'll give you a closer look here in a minute. And piece number two is called the hub, okay? So the way this works is the hose bib timer connects wirelessly to the hub, and then the hub actually connects up to the internet. So let's put the box over to the side and take another look. There is one battery compartment. It's kind of a bright light here. I'll flip it around here in a moment. One battery compartment that is watertight, and it requires two AA batteries. Two AA batteries. It does not come with batteries. Batteries are not included. So you put your two AA batteries in here, you slide this back in tight, and then you attach this portion up to your hose bib, and then you can attach your hose to this end. Also keep in mind, you can have multiple zones, if you will. You can put two of these side by side, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can get a manifold that will connect up to your hose bib, and then you can put many of these side by side, and you can essentially create zones just like an automatic underground system with above ground hoses, okay? So that's also a great way if you're trying to grow in a really large area without having the underground system, is you can run hoses above ground and you can put in multiple units and then you can zone them. So sprinkler zone 1 that might have 1 or 2 sprinklers could run for 30 minutes and then you can schedule the next one and the next one, all coming off that hose bib source. So let me give you a quick look at the B-Hyve hose bib timer. Let's go ahead and take this battery case out again so you can get a better look. Boom, there it is. Two AA batteries get installed there. There's a screen on that end to filter any possible contaminants before they go through the valve. This is your typical hose thread. So your hose would thread directly onto there. You're not going to use standard female threads. If you want to put PVC pipe, you're going to need to have an adapter to go from hose threads to iron pipe thread. And those are two different types of threads. So keep that in mind. If you're trying to put PVC on this thing, you need to have a thread adapter. And then this is the Wi-Fi hub. So you're going to find a suitable place at your house to plug this in to the wall. And again, you're gonna need Wi-Fi in that area. So please find a place that has Wi-Fi. You're gonna plug this into the wall, and then this acts as the gateway or the hub to the timer, okay? So the hose bib timer connects wirelessly to the hub, and then the hub is what gives this the internet connection, okay? So yeah, and it's super easy to install. You're gonna use your phone, you're gonna create an account with an email address, and then you're going to enter the information that is on the hub. You're going to connect up. It'll take you, I'm not joking, less than 5 minutes to do it, and then you'll be operating your hose bib from your phone from anywhere in the world. Take a trip to Florida. You live in Minneapolis. You can turn your hose bibs on and off from your phone from anywhere in the world. And as far as I know, this is one of the only Wi-Fi cloud-enabled hose bib timers. There's many others on the market that are Bluetooth, but Bluetooth you have to be in range of the hose bib timer. You can't be at work and make adjustments to your home. And that's the beautiful part with the Orbit B-Hyve timers. You can be anywhere and make those adjustments. So yeah, super simple, super easy to set up, super easy to use. It's just super easy. So go ahead, give it a try. And if you have any questions about this or just irrigation in general, drop a comment down below. Would love to answer questions for you and be in touch. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach us by phone, chat, email, text message. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll see you then.